What is air pressure? Air pressure is the pressure exerted by all of the air around us on all of the stuff around us. So, for instance, there's air above my head, and as it moves around, it creates a downward pressure on top of my head. But the thing is, we exist in kind of a soup of air. So there's air in front of me, there's air below my arm, there's air pretty much everywhere. And as all of this air is moving around and bumping against stuff, it creates air pressure in all directions. So this begs the question, if there's air pressure from all directions on me pushing inwards, why am I not crumpled by this air pressure? Is it just that humans are so strong that we can exist with all this constant air pressure on us? Let's consider this can. This empty can, like me, is experiencing air pressure from all directions, pushing inwards. And the can is quite strong. It can even withstand my weight. Now, is the strength of this can the reason that it can withstand air pressure? Well, let's see what happens if we remove all of the air from inside of the can. This vacuum pump will remove all the air. And as the air is removed, the can pretty immediately starts crumpling. Why? The material is still the same. It's exactly as strong as it was when I stood on it, and now it can't even withstand regular air pressure. So the reason humans can withstand air pressure can't simply be because we're strong. This can is strong, and now it's crumpled. So what happened here? Well, when I was standing on top of the can, sure, there was air pressure from the outside pushing inwards, but there was also air inside of the can. This air inside of the can was bouncing around and caused an air pressure pushing outwards. This outwards air pressure balanced the pressure pushing in, and as a result, the can was able to maintain its shape. But when we hooked up this can to the vacuum pump and removed all of the air, there was no longer any pressure inside pushing out. There was only the air pressure from outside pushing in, which caused the can to crumple. So why aren't we crumpled up by the atmosphere like this can was? Well, it's for the same reason this can wasn't crumpled just a minute ago. We're full of air. And this air bounces around and creates an outward pressure in every direction, just as the air around us pushes inwards in every direction. As a result, this balance allows us to maintain our shape and move through the atmosphere with ease.